What's up, guys? It's Trevor from Nicholas Performance, and we're getting the SRT4 cleaned up right now because we're getting into some no lift shift action today. Now our main goal is to see if we can make this car any faster. But if that's not enough, I'm gonna go scoop up my dad and we're gonna throw him in the driver's seat. Show you how we tune it, how we set it up, and all that good stuff. So it should be a good time. Stick around. All right, so we're over at my parents' house, and I got my dad nabbed up. So I think this is gonna work out pretty much perfect because you've drove it with the no lift shift thing before, but it's been a minute, so you kind of got to learn again, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that should be an interesting experience itself. We got to show them, let's show them how the thing works in the first place here. Let's see. Okay, so first off, hold on, let's go ahead and throw this out here. All right, I'm not digging it out of there. That's how we're actually doing our no lift shifts on this car. We're not just doing something crazy like slamming the gas and clutch and whatnot. We're getting into how we tune and set that up here in a minute. You know, you would usually drive a car, you want to kind of show them a little bit, like you would hit the gas. Let's see if I can get down here with the big boots. Right, you'd hit the gas, and then you'd hit the clutch and you'd let off the gas, right? Yeah, well, now you're no lifted. That's what we're gonna try to do. So usually you'd have to lift the gas up in between, and then you'd lose all your boost and all that not good stuff. Yeah, like that. Yep. And then what we're gonna try to do is how you just had it with your foot down, and all we do is tap the clutch, and you can just slam into the next gear so much faster. And this thing that I just showed you will like kind of retard the timing a little bit, so it doesn't like hurt the transmission. All right, so here's our software that we're doing all this with. We're using, it's a wide open throttle box. You can call it a WOTbox. I kind of feel like a racer calling it that. We got all kinds of stuff. We got our two-step, our no lift that we're working with today, rev limiter, and some other stuff we're not even going to look at right now. But the goal is this one right here. Our no lift is set, I've got it down to 275 milliseconds. So it's going to cut the ignition for 275 milliseconds, so you have that long to get into the next gear and have the clutch at least like halfway back out again, because if not, it's going to start to just rev right back up again and you're missed the gear. So 30 seconds. You get 30 seconds. It does have a training mode. That's our main goal, to see if we can get that any faster. Because that definitely, the faster you can shift the car, it's going to make the car faster. I don't know. You ready?
I'm getting juiced up with my monster.
Yeah. All right, we were talking about it, and we knew it wouldn't be fair if we didn't show you the two-step feature. All right, go ahead. That's the old ear piercer 3000 right there. All right, we're gonna get on the road and see what we can do with this thing. Do you want to like just get a couple normal shifts in and then try to do the no lift so we can kind of like compare? There you go. get the mentality to like not touch the gas and stuff. So you did so awesome on your first run. I'm gonna see, we were at 275 milliseconds. So see if we can go down to maybe 250. Success. Yeah, we can do 250. I mean, that doesn't sound like much, but I know it's a... Last time I played with this, like, that actually was a big difference. Huh?
My reaction time ain't what it used to be.
Yeah. You want to stab at it again, or you want to switch seats? You want to do another one? All right, we'll see if you can do the old 250. Ready when you You moved your foot the first time, didn't you? Yeah. I could. It was still really quick. Keep going until we can't do it no more. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep the laptop out now because we're starting to get a little concerned about attracting attention to ourselves. So I'm just gonna start adjusting this on the fly as we go. We're at a 225 milliseconds now.
My goal is 1 millisecond.
One. I can tell that was faster. 200. Should be drag racing this thing. Yeah. We're down in the ones now. 175. All right, new location. Success. 150 now, and we're getting down there.
This is for the money.
I can tell it's like 75 and maybe we'll call it quits there. I mean, that's getting down there. Milliseconds. Let's just see what it does. I'm probably not going to keep this one. Ah, there it is.
But it could have been me.
You want? Yeah, I better try it. Oh, that is so close.
Oh, you felt it? Yeah.
Oh yeah, we better dial her back.
Yeah.
I mean, that was, what, 50 milliseconds? That's no joke. Yeah. We're still like so close to the limit.
So I would say 85.
I think I have to do it in quarters. I think it has to be in quarters.
Oh.
So I'm thinking put it at 100.
Yeah.
Just because I don't want to be so close that I like miss a gear. Because then I'll totally throw a race.
Just like I did.
So
Would have been a race there.
yeah, I don't want to go so fast that I end up going slow.
No, it actually felt really hard. That's some hard shifting, man. That with your leg and in your arm. I got some clean ones though.
You've been banging them out. All right, we gotta switch seats because I don't think I've ever had it this low. All right, I gotta see if I can shift this now. Watch me fail at it.
Rev shift. That's a lot better than mine.
That's a little slow. Man, that is so much faster than what it was. I barely made those.
I mean, it's right there on the line.
I'm gonna have to like practice that before we go to the track. Yeah, that is so much faster than
And
what
we'll
it was.
cause you a race.
That'll cause you a gear.
And he does have a video on that too.
Yeah, we'll show you how to fix that after you mess it up.
After he breaks it, I think.
All right, guys. So we ended up landing on, what was it, 100 milliseconds, right?
1 millisecond.
We could do 75. You could do 75, but that is like right on the limit.
Yeah.
So we moved back to a conservative 100. I think that's where we're gonna leave it to go to the track. And I think we're gonna end it off there. My dad freaking killed it today. And yeah, now I gotta freaking live up to that. So that's it. I'll leave a description for the WOTbox in the description if you guys want to get one. Now you know how to use it. But yeah, that's it. Have a nice freaking day. Like and subscribe.